Hi everyone, happy Sunday. So mga ang solo parent nga gipangutana nga nung 7 years and until now nga nung wala gikasal sa foreigner, wala ba daw kuno na in love ang foreigner nako kay nga nung wala ko gipakaslan o wala ko pangutana until now. Naabot og 7 years and wala mi gikasal. And my answer is ang kasal dili na dinalian no. Kay daghan kayong nagdali-dali no nang nga ilad-ilad in town. Naabot na sila annulment, naabot na sila buwag-buwag, naabot na sila og kana ang nahimo ng third party kay uban walay peace sa ilang marriage, walay peace sa ilang family. So daghan kayo ka og i-process and it's a big decision. And for me, yeah, Filipina always dream their weddings. For me magpaabot ko sa right time. Time will come, maabot na ko di ang point. But for now, I'm so focused. We are so focused on the future savings and everything. And because it's not only me, the boys are with me. So he has to save for our future. We become a big family in the future. And dili pa nako dali-dali uno kayo no. Dili biya sayon-sayon ang iyang trabaho and it's a lot of process especially kung foreigner siya no. Dapat irespeto na to kung unsa ilahang decision. As long as walay third parties, walay something negative thoughts. Okay,